How to set a Spotify song as an alarm. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set a Spotify song as an alarm. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So to set a Spotify song as an alarm, you can use the built-in clock app. Tap on the clock app, and after you're there, so let's start by creating an alarm. Tap on the plus icon and then set the timer and stuff. Let me choose this one. Let's say OK. Tap on OK and you've set an alarm. After you do that, tap on your alarm and you'll find the sound option. Tap on the sound option, and after you do that, on the top you'll find the Spotify option there. So make sure that you're logged in into your Spotify on your device. Tap on Spotify. Then if prompted to, you might have to connect to your Spotify. So select a song that you want. So after you select a song, you can set it as an alarm. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you set a Spotify song as an alarm on your device. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.